I'm filming now.
No, you. It's your turn. Yes, must start, right?
Big old sweaty pumpkin.
Okay, somebody say something.
Charlie, how do you feel today?
Feel good.
How do you feel about the new location?
Ah, it's exciting.
What do you like mostly about the demolition process?
You're a good thrower. You're
I
a good,
thought you're a
a
pretty
good
good
glass
thrower.
breaker, you know? Core. Yeah.
Yeah. Why don't you go ahead and give us your best Tiger Woods on that window?
All right, you ready? Kids, I'm really working. We're breaking all the records. John Hall, Daytona Hyundai, come down, see us, the best deals in the state.
First Nova Road and then the world.